Hi everyone, and welcome to this demo of the multiplayer feature from gwpro.io. In our upcoming release, we're introducing a powerful multiplayer mode that allows you to engage collaboratively with your students or employees. Today, I'll demonstrate how it works by taking on the role of the teacher in one of three available roles: teacher, player, and observer. My colleagues will join in as a player and observer to help demonstrate the functionality. Let's get started. Step 1. Ensure internet connection first. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. Multiplayer mode requires a stable connection. Then, launch the gwpro.io app. You can use any supported platform. All participants can connect from different devices. Once the main menu loads, you'll notice our new sleek and intuitive UI. Step 2. Select a multiplayer-compatible module to begin. Choose a module labeled Multiplayer. In this release, only select modules support this feature. I'll choose my favorite, Work at Height. Tap Start to launch the module. Step 3. Enter multiplayer mode when prompted. Enter your name or a nickname, in my case, Dimitris. Then, select the multiplayer button. The module will reboot. Confirm your name again, tap Start, and wait while the app connects to the multiplayer server. Connection times may vary based on your location and network speed. If you see a Reconnect button, press it. If issues persist, restart the device and try again. Step 4. Set up the multiplayer VR classroom. As the teacher, I see a dashboard displaying connection codes and participant roles. In multiplayer, one person acts as the player, actively performing tasks, while up to 14 observers can watch the session, controlled and guided by the teacher. The total number of participants is currently limited to 16. I'll now connect my colleagues. First, I'll assign someone the observer role. The connection code is 087-6860, that's 087-6860. Share it via voice, chat, or any other method. Next, I'll assign the player role. The player code is 087-6861, again, 087-6861. Wait for everyone to connect. You'll be notified once they're in the session. Step 5. Start the training module. Once everyone is connected, press Continue. Multiplayer mode is currently available in learning mode. You'll see the participant list. I'm the teacher, Justin is the player, and Dan is the observer. Great, we're ready to go. Step 6. Observe and guide the simulation now. Justin, as the player, will begin the training scenario. Dan and I, as observers, will watch his progress. Justin is preparing tools and safety equipment before ascending for Work at Height. Observers can freely look around the scene but are limited to a designated safe zone to prevent getting lost in the simulation. And that's it. You're now set up and ready to use multiplayer mode in gwpro.io to enhance your group training sessions.